Hey there, Aris! So yan mga babes, no, our content for today is we're gonna take at you and take a look at you and your soulmate's journey right here. Whether you are connecting here with someone, pwedeng meron ng pag-uusap, pwedeng mag-boyfriend, girlfriend, or may relationship na kayo, or you could be married already, doesn't have to be. Pwede rin naman na kung papasok pa lang ito sa life ninyo. Just take how this resonates, okay? Using your vibe. If you feel connected into this reading, then this reading might be really for you. Ganun talaga yun pag nanonood kayo or nagwa-watch kayo, nakikinig ng mga energy or tarot readings. Kasi yung storyline and yung connection ninyo, yung magsasabi if that is really yours. Okay? So, Aris, tingnan natin dito, no? So, bigyan niyo na ako ng time na i-shuffle ito kasi this is quite big, see? Tell me something about Aries. Soulmate right here. It's words an angel, guys, Archangel Michael. Can you please show me? Tell me about this. So, singles, welcome din kayo mga babes, no? Kasi timeless ito. So, pwedeng ito ay paparating pa lang sa life ninyo. This could be a prediction right here sa inyong hinaharap. Yeah. Let's see. LGBTQs, of course, mga may loves, welcome rin kayo rito. Please, will just take how this resonates with you. Let's see who is this person. Ano ba ang kanyang mga characteristics, personalities, yeah. Ang pagbabala sa mga waves, no, is catching the right energy. So, if I already feel it, ibig sabihin yun na yun. Ang ilalapag natin dito sa ating table. Tell me something about Aries soulmate right here. Aries soulmate. Single ako makta dito sa ating deck, galing sa aking Tingo. Aries. Okay. Nasalo din. Let's go, Aries. Let's find out your soulmate. Your soulmate is appearing as the mother. Yeah, this person is very nurturing, very patient right here. Yeah, wow, definitely unconditional love like a mother. This is someone here mature. For others of you, you could be dealing with someone older than you, or there could be age gap right here between you guys. This person isn't have to be na may gap dito sa age, pero matured siya in handling life in general. Napakamaalaga, no? At saka siya to na naglo-look forward, no, sa new beginning sa kanyang life. At this person looks after his or her loved ones, no? So, parang inuuna niya rito yung kanyang family kaysa yung self niya. Parang pinoprovide niya rito yung needs ng family niya first or ng loved ones niya before yung kanya. Yan, no? Pero not neglecting his or herself. Magkaiba yun. So, this person is a very loving daughter, child, or this person is someone here who is, a very maalaga, a very mapagmahal, no? At saka maintindihin to, no? So, whoever this individual is, I'm seeing that this individual here will nurture or baka inaalagaan ka na niya at ramdam mo na yun ng bongga rito, Aries, no? So, this person right here is actually nakuha ko dito na binibigyan ka rin niya ng lecture. Pinapangaralan ka niya rito, no, kahit may relationship kayo. No? So, I love this kasi this person just want to protect you. Yan, no? Kasi nakakuha ko dito ng someone na hindi naman nagnanag sa inyo, pero someone here who is giving you advices kung paano kayo dito mapapabuti, no? So, sa iba, mga babes na pwedeng meron na kayong anak nito but doesn't have to be. But I'm picking up that this person would love to have this new beginning right here. At ikaw ang maging ama or ina ng kanya ritong anak. So, yeah, definitely you've got someone here who is maalaga, mapagmahal, no? Tsaka ano yan, siya yung tipo ng tao rito na isusure niya, no, na, yung parang madala mo na ba? Yung baon, yan, no? Yung ano mo, yung wallet mo, dala mo na ba? ID mo, yan, no? Yung ganyan siya. Very nurturing, very maalaga, no? Yung to the point na, kunwari lahat naman kayo papasok, no? Pero siya, lulutuan niya kayo ng baon pa. Yan, no? Siya, titingnan niya muna dito na tapayan, tapos siya pala yung may nakalimutan. So this is the type of person here who looks out for his or her loved ones first. Yeah. So, yun yun. Pero inaalagaan niya yung sarili niya. Yes. Kasi alam niya nakakuha ko ito sa person na to na kailangan niyang maging malakas, kailangan niya rito maging healthy, kailangan niya rito na maging maayos, no? Para mas ma-provide niya rito yung mga responsibilities niya sa relationship ninyo, whether you're married, singles, you're also welcome, no? Kasi you've got someone here, no, na pwedeng paparating pa lang ito sa life ninyo. So, this person is someone here who is stable. Stable yung mga goals niya sa life at ready siya na i-achieve yun. Kasi, I'm seeing greens and this is the energy of the Queen of Coins energy. So, this is someone here, no, na focus sa kanyang money. May money goal siya, may pangarap siya rito, no, to the point na pinaprioritize niya yung mga needs kaysa yung mga wants. Okay, and let's take a look at more. We have here the victim. So yeah, you could be dealing with Taurus but doesn't have to be. You've got same placements kasi nakuha rin nila yung victim dito. Pero dito nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that this person here, yeah, maaaring nasaktan na rin siya in the past, no, ng mga people right here na pwedeng pinagkatiwalaan niya, no? Pero this time, I'm seeing that this person here is giving me the vibe that this person is yun nga, no? Siya yung nagigiritong takbuhan, approachable siya, good friend siya, good mentor, magaling siya magbigay ng advices dito, no? At meron siyang kakayahan dito na mag-lighten ng mood ng iba. So whoever this individual is, I'm picking up that this is someone here na ayaw niyang mapasama, no? Or ayaw niyang ma-experience, lalo na ng mga close sa kanya, yung na-experience niya. Kaya siya nagbibigay dito ng mga advices, no, na I do feel like mga experiences niya yun. So, kung kunwari nag-fail siya sa love, yung mga experiences na natutunan niya, no, doon, yun yung i-share niya sa iba without dagdag bawas. That's what I'm picking up. Kasi, this person right here is giving me this kind of message that this is someone here who speaks the truth, not wanting anyone to get hurt. So, ibig sabihin, kung magbibigay siya rito ng advice, no, coming from the experiences na pinagdaanan niya. Okay? Not being biased by the situation, but this person wants to protect not just you, but everyone around him or her, especially kung close, no? Lalo na ikaw. So, kaya siguro connected to doon, no? Sa kanina na siya yung nagbibigay ng advice, no? Kasi ayaw ka nang mapasama. This person is literally, someone here is matured pag nag-isip, no? So, nakikita ko dito na hindi naman siya perfectionist to the point na hindi ka pwede magkamali or what, no? Hindi, magkaiba yun, no? This energy right here is someone, no, na kasi pag nasaktan ka, masasaktan din siya. So, pag nakikita ka niya nahihirapan, mahihirapan din siya. So, ayaw niya yun. Yeah, so ganun yun. Yeah, see? Very loving and very caring individual right here. Let's get to know more this person. Yeah, you could be dealing talaga with the Taurus. Yeah. But this one, sa Taurus, nakalagay siya dito. Yeah. But this one is also, yeah, okay, nakuha ng Taurus. Okay, let's not get fixed with the sign. Sinasabi ko lang kasi you might want to watch that Taurus. Yeah. Kasi baka yung kadil ninyo, kung hindi man siya Taurus, baka meron pala siyang ini-embodies na characteristics ng isang Taurus or baka siya pala ay may Taurus sa natal chart niya. But let's not get fixed with the sign, okay? Kasi hindi naman talaga yun importantitious. I mean, hindi naman talaga yung significant, no? Binanggit ko kasi, maaring makakuha rin kayo ng other information from that. So, you might want to check that out. So, yan, no? Kanina ipinost ko rin yun, mga babes, no una dito, bago tayo nag-Aries. Okay. So, we've got here someone, no, na talagang mahal niya yung sarili niya. Told ya. This is someone here na alam niya na I need to love myself first in order for me to love other people. Yeah, and this person is making bugad at unconditional love. So, ibig sabihin, itong tao na to, no, kung nasa buhay mo na to or wala pa, this person is gonna show you unconditional love kasi mahal niya yung sarili niya kaya alam niya kung paano magmahal rito ng tama. And this person is someone here na pwedeng literal, no, na siya ay virgin, but doesn't have to be the case. But this is the type of person right here na looking for that kind of partner. Kaya kung magkakaroon man kayo ng relationship or may relationship na kayo na maaaring isa hanggang dalawa lang yung naging girlfriends or boyfriends niya kasi hindi siya player type of person. This person is actually probably pwedeng traditional or may classic rin siya, no? Na binubugang energy. Gusto niya pag meron dito siyang makakonect, no? Especially kung nasaktan na siya before, no? Gusto niya talaga is yung talagang pang lifetime na. That's what I'm sensing. So if this is your person right here, I do not see that person betraying you or even thinking na gawan ka dito ng hindi maganda or kalukuhan, hindi niya yung iisipin kasi this is somewhat the energy of someone who is faithful and grounded and serious. Virgin to the mother right here gives us this kind of message that this person could be someone inclined to his or her Christianity, regardless of what he or she is, yung religion niya. Okay? Ano man yung kultura niya, religion niya, no? May faith siya doon. Yeah. In his or her God. So, ibig sabihin, may pananampalataya to, may faith to, no? At itong tao na to ay God-fearing. So, see, this person is actually believes right here in a union of love. So, ibig sabihin, if this person is your person, kung kayo ay ikakasal man or kasal na kayo, no, hindi lang ito more than ceremony. This person is actually seeing you as the love of his or her life. Yeah. See, look at that. Sa'yo niya ibibigay mga babes, no, yung kanyang buong pagmamahal. Kasi this person is someone who is faithful. Gusto niya ialay ang kanyang pag-ibig, ang kanyang mga babes, no, all ang kanyang lahat, no, sa isang tao rito na mapuprove sa kanya rito na talagang they're on the same page with each other. So yeah, Aries, well, you've got the right rare one as well, like Taurus. Yeah. So let's see more. We have here the King. Wow. Definitely. So I'm seeing someone here, enlightened, benevolent leadership, benefiting those in your charge. So what I do pick up, this is not yung hari-harian or whatever, no? This person is benevolent, is someone who is parang mapagkawang gawa kind of thing. So this person is kind-hearted right here. This person is also generous, and this person is sharing his or her resources. Okay? Ang pangarap, ang pangarap niya ay hindi lang para sa kanya. So malinaw na pwedeng meron din itong tinutulungan na charities or pwedeng kahit walang charities pero nag-aabot ito ng tulong. Yan, kahit sa hindi niya mga kilala. So yeah, you could be dealing with baka may Taurus tong kadil nyo in his or her natal chart, no? So, try nyo rin panoorin yung Taurus, mga babes. No? Yeah. So, I'm saying that this person right here with the king, this is embodying some kind of stability, definitely. Yeah. Okay, so this is someone here who could be older than you or matured than you. That's what I'm picking up. Because with the king together with the presence of mother here, this is the energy of someone giving the vibe na responsable talaga. Yung hindi naglalaro. Yung nandito para sa love at hindi para sa isang flirt lang. Excuse me. Yung nandito para sa unconditional love at hindi para sa isang casual fling lang. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here na talagang paninindigan kayo, no? And this person, okay, napakamatulungin niya. Mapagkawang-gawa. Alam mo parang, excuse me, no? Pag may nahingi ng tulong, kunwari kapitbahay, no? Tapos siya lang yung marunong gumawa nung, kunwari nasira yung ref. So, marunong siyang gumawa. Ano siya, kahit may ginagawa siya, pupuntahan niya yun. Or i-stop niya muna yung ginagawa niya, or pupuntahan niya yun kahit wala siyang ginagawa. Yeah. So that is the type of person that you are dealing with. This is someone here who is helpful. Yeah. And this person takes a look at you guys, no? Pati yung mga minamahal niya dito at minamahal niya sa life. Yeah, yung family, parents niya, mga kapatid, yan. Those who are around him or her. Definitely, you've got someone here who has this big heart. Wow! Plus, may stability. So, maganda ito, no? Kasi nakikita ko talagang magiging responsable siya nitong ama at ina sa inyong magiging family right here. So, yeah, let's see at the bottom of the deck. We've got here the advocate exactly inspires you to put compassion into action. See, alam mo yun, no? Yung, ay, pwede kunin mo na to pang merienda. Sige na. Ay, di na. Sabi mo na yan. Ganun siya, no? Tinan mo, napakamatulungin talaga nitong tao na to. At saka ano siya, pwedeng ano siya, malakas kasi yung energy dito eh, na siya yung klase ng tao na malakas yung marami siyang earth sign sa kanyang natal chart. So, you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn but doesn't have to be. But this person right here is maalaga siya. So, pwedeng ang kanya ritong hobbies ay plantito at plantita siya, no? But doesn't have to be. But we're picking up that as well. So, minention natin. Pero siya yung klase ng tao ritong mapagkumbaba. That's what I'm sensing. Humble siya. May savings to in the bank. And I'm seeing this person na pwedeng posibleng meron siyang property na matatawag niyang kanya. Either business yun or establishment yun. Or baka yung bahay ninyo is talagang siya yung nagpundar niyan. Whatever the case may be, kahit hindi bahay, basta meron siya rito pag-aari, no? And I'm seeing that this person has lots of stability, yeah, in his or her life. And that person really work hard for that. Talagang hard work paid off ang nangyari sa kanya. Inner niya yun dahil sa kanya ritong kasipagan at tiyaga. So, yun yung naging bunga rito. So, wow! Hindi magugutom dyan, guys. Yun na nakikita ko dito. Mapagmahal tapos, wow, diba? Mapagmahal tapos napakabuti pa ng kanya ritong kalooban, no? So, makikilala mo siya, no? Makikita mo siyang ganyan, no? To the point na it will reveal right before your eyes. No, na ay matulungin pala siya, ay ganito pala siya pagdating sa iba. No? Yeah, hindi lang sa'yo, makikita mo yan kahit sa ibang tao, no? But this type of person right here is not the type of person na mauuto, ah. Hindi porket matulungin siya is tutulungan niya na kahit sino. If this person feels like na hindi yun dapat tulungan, ni hindi niya yung tutulungan. Yun ang nakikita ko sa kanya. Okay, let's see what's next. Add more information. Oh, God is right here. So, let's see. Benevolence and compassion, exactly. Benevolence, double na agad. Ayan, no, nakita mo mga babes, no? Benevolent, benevolence. Yan, no? Grammar ba to, miss yan? See, mapagkawang gawa siya rito. Yun na nakikita ko rito. Yun na may compassion siya. Tingnan mo, dalawa na ulit, inulit na naman yung satang compassion. Compassion, compassion ulit. So, ibig sabihin, no, talagang mabuti itong tao na to. Yung mabuti siyang kalooban. Kind-hearted siya, mga babes. No? Yan, recognizing the eternal force within yourself and other people. So yeah, this person is actually inclined into spirituality. So sabi ko sa iyo, God-fearing din itong person na ito, no, at may takot siya sa Diyos. At naniniwala siya, mga babes, no, na kung sino yung may kakayahan, siyang dapat na tumulong. So ini-embodies niya yon. So hindi ko alam kung moto niya yon or maaaring siya ay nagbubuga ng ganong klase ng energy. So kung sino man ito, Aries, no, napakabuti niya rito, no, hindi lamang sa iyo kundi sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo. Yeah, kahit dun sa mga strangers, yeah. This person tends to help them if he or she feels na kailangan niya itong tulungan. So, yeah, mga babes, kung narinig niyo yung ingay sa labas, you know, it's halalan today. It's halalan today. It's the start, di ba? Yesterday ba of the halalan. So, yeah. Kung naririnig nyo sila, yan. Dadaan lang yan, mga babes. So, yeah. I cannot control the noise. Let's shuffle this. And don't worry because I'm still focused here. Tell me more about this person connecting with Aries. Tell me about your soulmates here. Tell me about their soulmates here. Spirits and angel, guys. Archangel, thank you so much. Tell me more about this Aries soulmate continuous. Okay, let's see. So, we have here the communion. Definitely. See, look at that. Alam mo, fated meeting na kukuha ko rito, no? At it looks like, bamboo trees right here, no? Super tataas na mga trees rito, no? Alam mo, I'm getting this one. I have to say this. Baka ma-meet mo siya or makilala mo ito, no? Either sa mga maraming bamboos, alam niyo yun, no? Or sa Korea, or sa Japan, or sa Baguio, whatever the case may be, kung saan maraming trees, or baka with nature right here. But you know what? Just take a look at Taurus reading because they've got a tree in there wherein they got the waiting, and there is also a bench right in there, so you could probably be okay dealing with Taurus, mga mahal. Okay, it's strongly what we're getting here. So baka may Taurus sa chart niyang kadil ninyo, whether you knew it or not. So there could be some kind of a this beautiful flowers, no, na nagsisimulang magbunga dyan, no, sa tuktok ay simbolo rito ng nagkakaroon ng magandang sibol ng connection. So definitely it's red, it's love. So sumisibol ang pag-ibig rito at ang pagtatagpo na ito mga views. Alam mo, to the point na tatanda kayo together, no, watching that sunset, no, and talking about all the things under the sun, laughing, yeah, holding hands right here, happy. Yun ang binubuga sa aking energy dito. Like, this is a fated meeting right here. This is destiny binding you together. That's what I'm sensing. Yeah. So, we have here the fears. This could be someone. Oh, hindi ko talaga to kinikerry. I saw the boats. Tinan mo yung boats. Meron din yan dun sa Taurus. Panoorin mo na nga lang. So definitely, this person is somewhat attractive at makikita ka niya dito bilang nagsa-stand out ka, no, sa crowd. This person is showing me with this white colored flower that this person is someone here who has this definitely pure heart in here. There's purity. This person is confidence, no? At alam mo yung parang magiging proud siya sa'yo. That kind of energy. This is the energy here of someone, yeah, that is embodying this confidence. And this person is making buga that positivity. And this flower around him or her, the trees, the leaves, yeah, at ang mga leaves na ito kung nakikita ninyo, no? Mga leaves yan. Tree kasi ito mga babes. So, ibig sabihin, definitely, meron siya ditong stability. At kung ano man yung stability na pinagkukuhaan niya na yan, whether business yan or trabaho, I'm seeing that this person here is inaalagaan niya yan at mukhang nakikita ko na marirecognize siya dyan. Either mapopromote, either na-promote, or either kung business yan, I'm seeing good money flow. Yeah, see? Alam, magiging proud yan sa'yo. Like, literally, you are his or her apple of the eye. Yeah. Like, literally, kahit na itapat pa sa kanya dito yung mga magagandang lalaki, magagandang mga mukha ng babae at lalaki, kiber. Ano yung kiber, miss niyan? Wala pa kills. Okay? Kasi you're gonna stand out sa kanilang lahat. Yeah. Kaya ko nga nakikita kayo dito sitting in the bench. Yan, no? Old couple right here, natatanda kayo together and you're still happy being together. Oh, yeah. Wow, see, beginnings right here. Definitely new beginnings right here. A lot of abundance for you guys. Birds are symbols of messages right here telling us that there's abundance in this type of union with this person here. And definitely, by the way, this is also marriage communion. Yeah, you're being binded. Your souls are being binded right here. You're gonna create this home, yeah, with this person, yeah, to the one that you love right here, and definitely a lot of abundance in this type of connection. You're gonna soar high right here together. Yeah. I don't know. Why at first, pwedeng this is you, you won't believe if this is really happening in your life, but it is. Akala mo kasi hindi ka na makakatagpo rito, no, ng someone na mamahalin ka ng ganiti, to the point that you almost lose your hope when it comes to romantic relationship commitment like this. But this is yours here, honey. This is definitely yours. It might feel surreal at first, but it is. It is what it is. Wow, Aries. Wow. So yeah, sunshine girl. Yeah, sunshine. A lot of healing, a lot of happiness yan. Daming flowers. Alam mo, kayong magpopol kayo, magiging abundant kayo. Kasi may pagtutulungan at suporta dito. Magiging abundant rin kayo in terms of money goals. Yung nakikita ko rito eh. At magiging happy ka sa kanya. Sunshine is what the sun is making buga. 'Di ba? This person heals you kung nasaktan ka man noon at naging victim ka ng betrayals at nasaktan yung heart mo. This person will definitely heal you, or you could probably heal this person right here. A lot of happiness with whoever is this. Hindi ko kayo nakikitang nagiging magastos kahit maging maganda pa ang inyong pamumuhay. Like literally may pera kayo nito, no? Nakikita ko kayo basta magkasama lang kami, basta mag-travel kami together, basta walang may sakit sa pamilya namin. Go. This is a beautiful love story that might feel surreal at first, but it is, Aries. It is. It is about to happen to you. Watch the Taurus reading, honey. Yeah, take a look at that. Take a look at that, okay? The bottom of the deck, we have here the surfer. 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 Ito rin yung nasa Taurus, mga babes. This person is ready to ride the waves with you. You're about to meet this person, might be in nature right here, beach, forest right in there, or may trees around you guys, but this person will ride the waves with you. You are correct connecting with this person right here. You probably feel this already. If this person is about to enter your life, then this person right here will love you for who you are. Yeah, I'm sensing that you could probably be moody for others of you, but this person right here will definitely, okay, understand you, be patient with you guys, and this person is the one for you. Yeah. See, we have here the artist. This person could be creative right here, and look at that. It feels so magical, isn't it? It gives me this kind of fireworks. See, fireworks it is. So this is the energy of the Ten of Coins energy. Definitely fireworks here symbolizes right here happily ever after. You know that Disney, di ba pag nagsisimula yung mga Disney movies, di ba? Or mga Disney na mga palabas na may fireworks no kasama yung castle doon. That's it, that's it, that's it, di ba? So whatever the case, Iris, wow, honey, you do not know that this is probably be your destiny. It might feel surreal at first, but it's for you. It's yours. It's yours for the taking right here, Aris. Take it and claim it, okay, sweetheart, because I know that you deserve this, okay? So thank you so much. It's Sarah Ngayon Love and Light. Annyeong.